Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. Today we are going to learn Bullet's proof method to solve a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now I have taken one question like this: x square plus 47x plus 420 equal to 0. You can see here this is a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you can see here coefficient of x square is 1 here. Coefficient of x is plus 47 here, and constant value here is plus 420. Now what to do here? Verify D. D means determinant. The value of determinant is b square minus 4ac equal to. Here you can see value of b is plus 47. Now here write plus 47 ka whole square since b square is there. After that write minus. After that this 4 will come. After that what is coefficient of x square? That is coefficient of x square is 1. That will be the value of a. Right here value of a 1 as it is. And constant value, here you can see the constant value is 420. Here write 420 equal to. Now do the mathematical calculation here. You will get 47 ka whole square. It comes out to 2209 minus. Now here you do minus sign is there, put here minus sign. Now 420 will get multiplied to 4. It comes out to 1680 equal to. Do the subtraction operation here. You will get 529 equal to. 529 itself is whole square of 23 equal to 23 ka whole square, that is whole square. Since here you can see determinant, the value of determinant d is 0 or whole square, then apply splitting middle term. In this case the value of determinant is whole square. Then here you can see middle term is this one plus 47. That 47 will be splitted into two parts. Now what to do here? Here you can see coefficient of x square is plus 1. Right here at this place coefficient of x square plus 1. And here you write constant value plus 420. Now both value will get multiplied together. The result will be equal to plus 420 equal to. Now get the prime factorization of 420 like this I have shown here. 420 you will get prime factorizations. The result itself it is there. 420 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now 420 will be split into two parts. That here I have taken 12 into 35. That comes out to be 420. Here middle term is to be split into two parts only. Here 47x can be split only equal to 12x plus 35x. That's why what we'll do here. Here I have mentioned 420 equal to. Make 4 boxes like this. Here what to do? Here write coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is plus 47. Here write plus 47. Here plus 420 has been split into two parts. That part is 35 and 12. Here write, you can see everywhere plus sign is there. Since everywhere plus sign is there, there will be no problem at all. Make 4 boxes like this. Here you can see multiplication sign is fixed here. Here multiplication sign will get as a permanent post here. Here sign will be plus or minus. Sorry for interruption. Here you can see, here sign will be plus or minus. That will depend on this factor. Since you are seeing here that everywhere plus sign is there. Now here put plus sign. Now the method is move vertically downward. Column wise move vertically downward. You can see plus 35 is there. Here plus 35 should be there. The same digit, whatever the same digit with sign is reflected at this place, the same digit with sign will also be reflected here. Here in vertical column, you can see in this box plus 35 is there. Here also 35 will be there. Now you can see in this column, second column, vertically second column, plus 12 is there. Here also plus 12. Plus 12, plus 12, plus 35, plus 35. Here multiplication sign is fixed here. Here plus sign will be there, plus or minus sign will be there, depending upon this factor. If you do this one, you will get this factor. If you get 35 plus 12, you will get this factor. Now here write implied that original quadratic equation, that is x square plus 47x plus 420x equals 0. Now you can see the middle term itself is plus 47x. Plus 47x will be split into 2 parts. That those parts will be taken from this place. Here just simply suffix here x. Here also suffix here x. So we will get 35x and here get 12x. That's why 47x has been split into 2 parts, 35x and 12x. That's why I have written here plus 47x has been split into 2 parts, plus 35x plus 12x plus 420 plus 420 I have written here. Now what we'll do here implies that here you can see first term is x square, second term plus 35x. Here you take x as a common. In one bracket it will become x plus 35. Now you can see here this term and this term. You can easily take plus 12 as a common. In bracket comes out to x plus 35. Bracket close it will be. Now you can see common thing x plus 35. Here x plus 35 is there. Here x plus 35 is here. X plus 35 is there. Take here x plus 35 as a common in one bracket. In another bracket you get x plus 12. Now I shall come out to the second question. Second question is like this: 4x square minus 35x minus 9 equal to 0. The same question you can see in the form of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now in this case you can see the coefficient of x square is 4 and coefficient of x is minus 35 and constant value minus 9. Now verify determinant here b square minus 4ac equal to b. The value of b itself you can get from here, coefficient of x minus 35. Put here minus 35 का whole square since b square is here. Put here minus sign put here. Here 4 is there, here 4 is there. In place of a, you can put here coefficient of x square as 4. Put here as 4. Here content value is minus 9 is there. Put here minus 9. Do the operations here. Minus 35 का whole square, it comes out to 1225. Here minus sign of minus sign will multiply together. The result will be plus. I have brought in plus here. Here 4 into 4 will get 16. 16 9 ja will get 144. Now 1225 will get added to 145. Result will be 1369 equal to 37 का whole square equal to whole square. Now we can see here determinant itself is whole square. That's why this quadratic equation can easily be solved by applying middle term splitting method. Now what we'll do here? Here write the coefficient of x. You can see here the coefficient of x square itself is plus 4. Right here plus. At this place right here the constant value here minus 9. Here write minus 9. The both value will get multiplied together. The result will be minus 35. Minus 36 equal to. Now 30 minus 36 will be there. Here vertically below right here minus 35. Minus 35 you can see is the coefficient of x. Minus 35 minus 35 right here minus 35 equal to. Do the same operations. Here 36 will always be split into two parts only. So here I have made 4 boxes. As I have explained to you all earlier, 4 boxes will be made here. Move vertically downward, column wise. You can see in first column minus 36 there, here write minus 36. Here plus 1 will be there, here plus 1. Vertically downward. Vertically downward. This is first column, this is second column. First column vertically downward minus 36 minus 36. Here plus 1, here plus 1. Here it comes out to the same digit with sign. Whatever the digit with sign comes here, the same digit with sign will also be reflected here. Now here the digit with sign, whatever digit with sign reflected here, the same digit with sign will also be reflected here. Now if you multiply minus 36 plus 1, you will get minus 36. Now here sign will be either plus or minus, then depends on this factor. If you put here plus sign, you can easily get the desired value minus 35. Minus 36 plus 1 will get minus 35 easily. Now I have written here the original quadratic equation 4x square minus 35x minus 9 equal to 0. Now you can see here the middle term itself is minus 35x. Minus 35x will get split into two parts, minus 36x plus x. Here same thing I have written, implied that 4x square minus 36x plus x minus 9 I have written equal to 0. Here take 4x as a common, you will get in one bracket x minus 9 plus 1, you will get x minus 9 equal to 0. Now you can see here in this term, first term x minus 9, in second term also x minus 9 is there. Take x minus 9 as a common. In another bracket you will get 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1 equal to 0 I have written here. Now I shall come to question number 3. Question number 3 is also a quadratic equation in the form of x square plus b plus c equal to 0. That question is x square plus 5x minus 24 equal to 0. In this case also verify d, b square minus 4ac. Now here you can see the value of b is here plus 5. Put here plus 5 का whole square since b square is here. Put here minus sign is there, put here minus sign. And now 4 is there, put here 4. What is the value of a? I think the value of a equal to 1, put here 1. And constant value itself is minus 24. Here put c in place of c minus 24. Do the operations here. 25 whole square comes out to 25. Here you do minus minus, you will get multiplied together, you will get plus here. And 24 will get multiplied to 4, comes out to 96. Here 25 will added to 96 comes out to 121 equal to 11 का whole square. Now you can see here the coefficient of a square is plus 1, right here plus 1. Here content value is minus 24, here write minus 24. Plus 1 and minus 24 will get multiplied together. Result will be minus 24 equal to, here coefficient of x is plus 5, right here plus 5. 24 will be divided into two parts. Here you can see I have done prime factorization of 24. The same result 2 into 2 into 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24 comes out. Here I have taken the same digit with sign, the same digit with sign. Here plus 8 is there, here plus 8 will be there. Here minus 3 is there, here minus 3 will be there. The same digit with sign, the same digit with sign. Same digit with sign, same digit with sign. Here multiplication sign is fixed here. If you multiply plus 8 to minus 3, that comes out to minus 24. Here, since here minus sign is there, here plus sign is fixed here. If you do the operation plus 8 plus minus 3, you will get easily plus 5. Exception to this rule that at this place you can see plus sign is there. At this place it will never come minus sign, because if you take here minus sign, here minus sign will be there. Minus sign, it can't be operated in this case. So here that's why I have written exception to this rule is that minus sign not to be fixed in place of 8. Here plus. Here plus sign is there. Here in place of plus, you can't write minus. Never write plus 5 equal to plus 8 minus minus. The main idea is that here minus sign, here minus sign. Here minus sign, here minus sign will never come. Plus minus in one bracket equal to, in one bracket plus minus open bracket minus. Minus minus like this statement is not valid. Now you can say plus minus sign is there, that is valid. But in this case, this is not valid. Minus minus not valid. Now I have written here original quadratic equation, that is x square plus 5x minus 24 equal to 0. Here you can see plus 5x is the middle term, plus 5x will be split into two parts. Those two parts will be taken from this place. Plus 8x minus 3x. That's why in place of plus 5x I have written here plus 8x minus 3x. Minus 24 will come. Here take imply that x as a common. You will get in one bracket x plus 8. Here take minus 3 as a common. In another bracket you will get x plus 8 equal to 0. Here write x plus 8. In another bracket here write x minus 3 equal to 0. Now comes out to question number 4. You can see here I have taken the original question, that is 2x square minus 13x plus 15 equal to 0. Here you can see the coefficient of x square itself is plus 2. I have written here plus 2. The content value is plus 15. I have here plus 15. Both value plus 2 plus 15 will get multiplied together. Result will be plus 30 equal to. Here I have written minus 30. That is coefficient of x minus 13 I have written there. Now plus 30 can be written like this, minus 10 into minus 3. Minus 10 and minus 3 will get multiplied together. Result will be plus 30. Same digit with sign. Here same digit with sign. You can see here minus 10 is there, here minus 10 will come. Here minus 3 is there, here minus 3 will be there. Get that thing multiplied, verified. Minus 10 will get multiplied to minus 3. Result will be plus 3. Minus 10 will be added to minus 3. Result will be minus 13. Now I have written the original quadratic equation here. 2x square minus 13x plus 15 equal to 0. Implied that 2x square. Now here you can see here the middle term itself is minus 13x. That will be split in two parts as minus 10x minus 3x. That's why I have written in place of minus 13x as it is minus 10x minus 3x plus 15 will be there. Implied that here you can see in this term, I have taken two terms here. You can see 2x can be taken as a common. In one bracket it comes out to be x minus 5. In this term, minus 3x plus 15, I have taken minus 3 as a common. In bracket it comes out to x minus 15. Here you can see in this term, x minus 5 is there. Here x minus 5 is there. You can take easily x minus 5 as a common here. If you take x minus 5 common here in another bracket, it comes out to 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 will be there. Okay guys, we shall meet you all on some day. Thanks.